What if death wasn't the end when Jesus was near? In ancient Judea, funerals meant silence, tears, and goodbye forever. But wherever Jesus walked, something strange happened. The dead didn't always stay dead. A little girl, lifeless on her bed, he whispered, "Talitha cum," and she opened her eyes. A widow's only son, carried in a funeral procession. Jesus touched the coffin, and the boy stood up alive. Then came Lazarus, 4 days in the tomb, no breath, no hope. Yet Jesus called his name into the darkness, and death let him go. Who was this man that even the grave obeyed? Because when Jesus spoke, death listened.